so excited. Look at the boy. Alright. Here's their green bucket. 2 scoops in the morning. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, that one's a pig. I know him, Chop. I'm coming. Are you ready? Are you ready for your food? Look it out. Oh my gosh. Just let me hold one. Look at that cutie. Look at that cute bird. I take you home. I don't think she'd notice. I just take you home. Look at that. Okay, there you go. Alright. Get the cookie. I know you're hungry. There you go, Kimber. I'm gonna get this. I don't know. Alright, Ham Chop, you ready for your bath? Alright, now that I've tended to the goats, the chicks, and the pig and the dogs, I'm coming to check on the cows. They're so cute. Hi. It's okay. How you doing? You got plenty of hay, huh? How are you? It's okay. Oh, you're so cute. So cute. Alright. Get down from there. Get down. What are you doing? No, you don't need to go over there. Get down. Come on. Come on, get down. Good girl. Alright, me and the puppy dog are going to check on the ponies. I already filled up their water. To make sure that gate is still chained so they can get in the pasture and munch on the grass. This morning we're going to be working on finishing up the tape. I think once I'm done taping the TV in the master bedroom, all we have to do is pull out the drawers in the kitchen, take them to the garage so that we can get them all prepped and ready for some primer. And I think that's all I'm going to be able to knock out this morning. Gage has to go to work today, so he gets off later after dinner. He's going to watch Isabel for me so that I can paint all the drawers and the cabinets. And once I'm done doing the drawers and the cabinets, I'm going to hop in the RV and go ahead and knock out all the cabinets inside. So, I'm going to get started. A little sad because he really enjoys his microwave. What a good husband. But now I can store all my seasonings or whatever up there. Man, look at all this space, y'all. Look at all this space. Oh, snap. It's a whole new world. have one coat of primer on the majority of the cabinet doors and all the drawers. My back started hurting and the paint on the brush was drying faster than I could get the paint on, so I had to stop with one left to do. So that's what it looked like before. Here's it after. Just one coat of primer. I believe today is day 4 or day 5. I'll have to check. It's painting day. I'm so excited. And I'm going to start in the kitchen because I can't wait to have a white kitchen. I'm so excited. Last night we came in here and kind of talked about it. We were going to paint last night, but we were just so tired. I instead am deodorizing these mattresses for the boys. Alright, here's what I got so far. Isabel woke up, so I gotta go swap with Gage, but I pretty much got like 3/4 of the kitchen done. Gage took over. Backsplash just came in, and I'm so excited. So it's gonna tie in perfectly with the cabinets. So I'm so excited. So that's what it's gonna look. Oh my gosh, it's fabulous. I'm gonna put it right here too. I can hardly stand it. I want to finish painting. So it's gonna be epic. We saw the kitchen, so we have all the kitchen done. He even did that, Gage did. But my husband paints like a 5-year-old, y'all, so I had to snatch the paint from him. I was so bad. So we got that done. We got the cabinet done. And I got the trim around the door done. After the door, I started the TV stand, or the entertainment stand. And Gage said he had to get ready, so he's got to go to a dentist appointment real quick. Alright, today is day 2 of painting, and I managed to finish the, what do you call those, I guess, book cabinets. I managed to finish the cabinets, but I'm taking a break from painting to help Gage put up the planks that are going where the molding used to be. Like, I don't see it. Doing a great job. We're really upset that we got rid of our nice workbench right about now. It looks good though.
Bam.
Nice. Looks good. This is just for
Extra.
reassurance.
Yeah.
That it's not gonna fall on my head. Alright. Ooh, that looks so good. Alright, got 2 more pieces to do.
Alright, let me get it real quick.
I like that it's not too dark. It's just a light wood. Alright, here comes the last boards. Here, go kill all the flies. Kill those flies. Oh my gosh, I had no idea I could do that. Oh my gosh, it's a miracle. I can adjust the brightness while I'm videotaping. That is so awesome. Perfect, right there. Alright, after 10 minutes of trying to decide on which board to use, we're going for it. So fabulous. Looks good. I got all the spots that the roller can't reach with a brush on the other side as well. Now I'm about to pour my paint, pour my roller, and then get started. We almost have all the cabinet doors covered in primer. I got 3 more And then I gotta do the back side of about 5 of them. And then they'll be ready for paint. So excited. And we got our new mattress in. And I got my handy dandy Macho Man. Help me out. Oh, let me open this door. My feet are burning. It's so hot.
Oh yeah.
How are we gonna get that out? Turn sideways.
Hey man, people do it. Oh god.
I'm just gonna watch you suffer. Yeah, good idea. To open it in the room, just in case it like explodes on you. It's an adult Jack in the Box. It's 8 inches and it's memory foam. It's got springs in it and everything. Pull it. Pull it. What the hell? Oh, that was a lot. That was a lot of work.
It's hot in here.
It's hot in here. Yep. How much? You're trying not to, is that what you said?
I have to cut the mattress.
Oh, okay. I thought you said he did for a second. I was like, seriously?
Oh my god.
Ah! Gotcha. This is crazy. You're doing a great job. Look at that.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that. The mattress even thanked you. Good. Very noisy mattress. You gonna test it out?
Yeah.
Should you? That's the question. Is it better?
It's a lot better than the other one.
Okay, good. Oh yeah, this is much better. Holy crap. Alright, I wanted to give y'all a quick update. I officially finished painting everything that I want to white. That was so hard to say. I just woke up not too long ago. You know, I toyed around with the idea of painting that. And now that I'm looking at it on camera, I don't know if I like it. Oh my gosh, this is so stupid. Oh, I hate painting. Most of the YouTubers make it look so easy and so fun, but this is not fun. Here's what I got so far in the master bedroom. So I painted that, and I painted the doors. So that's what we got. And just so you know, I'm going to put a basket here to hide that. I definitely don't like seeing cords and outlets. So I was like, you know, why would I even paint that if I'm going to cover it? So I just left it because I can do what I want, and I didn't want to do it. So the terrible paint job up there is what Gage did. So Aaron, if you don't believe me, that is his work. And I couldn't decide if I wanted to paint that, so last night I just went ahead and went for it and painted it. Thankfully the walls are a lighter color, so I'm leaving the walls alone because it's just so much work. I'm so tired. I've been painting. Today will be the 3rd day straight, and I'm so done. And we're leaving the dinette because we don't know what we want to do with it yet, and we don't have time to think about it and do anything with it. And there's carpet, and look, y'all, I'm the messiest painter in the world. I got paint on my carpet. I was pouring the paint on the counter and spilled it.
Oh, it's horrible.
Oh my gosh, that looks pretty good. this because it's so dark. He's a professional cook and a professional painter. Look at him go. So good, Silas. I'm about to paint the kitchen black. Just from here to the left, closer to the sink. So I'm really nervous. I've never painted anything big like this black. So, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm gonna turn it back now.
What's up, guys? So, I just got back from the DMV.
What?
Finally got our license plate for our RV. So
Sweet.
now we're getting ready to put it on and make it official.
Alright, here it goes.
Alright.
Good job, dude. You did it.
Alright.
Are we official?
Alright. We're official now.
What? And we should be able to finish up some of the painting tonight.
Yeah.
So we'll update you.